Hello, welcome back. Do you know how I end up here? Upon reaching Bakanas, I was like not following my Garmin already. Like I thought like this gravel was very fun. Then I thought it can lead to the main road. So I just went there. Then in the end I fucked up. End up in a muddy, super muddy place. And my pedals couldn't even clip in. Then my brakes got caught up also. Basket, yeah. Very stupid.
Walao gravel sia. Walao Garmin, why you bring me to gravel?
It's my fault lah.
Gravel. Ôi ôi ôi, cao sai oh.
Cao sai.
Gravel. Gravel sia. Walao. Chèo lọt số rồi à?
Cô tạt tao. Sợ tao sàn chém tiêu lúa.
Siêu à. Gravel.
A few moments later.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Can't really know road. Go stun lah. Muddy. Very muddy. Why is pink color? Too cross already.
A few moments later.
Okay, I just settled the issue. I see it's still very muddy, so I need to wash already. Seriously, I just watched the bike come out already. Not really, yeah. Still a mud lah. Take me quite some time to find a stick get the fucking mud off the pedals. 100 km already. Can't even clip in, bro. And the brakes somehow all cocked up already. The rim is rubbing already. Jialat ya. Walao, really damn jialat ya. Bo kill liao lah, oh no. Wala, barbecue lah. Very bad ya. A lot of brake
什么鬼东西？啊！你他妈是个傻逼！完犊子了！
I don't carry that. Don't go. Later too late already. Go Chao for sure. Have to rush to the Pulai Bridge now, then go back from JB. Wow, look at this really bad idea. Wow, come like cyclocross bike already. Gravel bike already, yeah. Bad idea. Need this brake lah. Rim brake so shit on this terrain, yeah. Thankfully, it's all the flat road now. If I climb now my pedals cannot clip in now. Wow, jialat, cannot off saddle already. I just ride on lah. Just wait for the mud slowly shed off, then can slowly keep in already lah. This road from Kanana. Wow, this one very 严重sia. Wow, got powder sia. Oh my. This road from Kanana to the Pulai Bridge, right? It's actually quite flat, okay lah. Quite nice to ride. Then on the way, I saw some cyclists on the opposite side. We say hi to each other. Okay, now reaching the Pulai Bridge. Hey, I am coming for Pulai Bridge. You can see the road now here very wide. I think that's why a lot of people like to cycle here. This road is just a pretty one. This road is pretty much like open not long. I freaking cannot plot the Garmin route of this Pulai Bridge. I think just cannot cannot go over because it believe that it's still closed. Base, yeah. Okay, that's the bridge. There is the bridge. Very beautiful bridge. Oh. Okay, rolling a bit in front then yeah, Pulai Bridge. I like this building. So white. No clubbing.
Around here is a jungle, forested areas. Okay, get ready to climb up the beach about 5% gradient. Okay, climbing the beach now. Slowly, slowly get up. Don't rush. Just enjoy. Relax.
Fly. Look at this view. Gorgeous. Pulai Bridge.
FYI, this is not my first time here. I've been here another time before this.
And that is the biggest spot, very big spot. This is the 15th most largest spot in the world. Tanjong Pass. I think probably the biggest, second largest spot. So many containers, yeah. Like something to compete against the Singapore spot. Okay, I must stop here.
Time to go home lah.
Whoa! Go on, Leo.
This long stretch of descent very shiok lah. I was saying like it's a bit shaky, I was a bit wobbly because when the truck passed by me, the wind suddenly hit very strong. So somehow I one hand only. But he still never lose control. It's good.
Later.
Wow, this is so painful. Wow, this climb. 14 kilometers per hour. How to go home like this? Very stressed. Stress.
临海华景王不服 here.
My legs so painful already. Cannot already. 120 km, I'm so weak already. Last time what happened already? What happened to me? Last time 200k I no complaint. Now little bit I want to die already. Fuck Lola. And then this stupid camera, iPhone keep on hanging. Wait, cannot climb in. Already out of gear already. Oh my god, I think dropped so much. This iPhone camera keep on hanging. I don't go pro, yeah. I never borrow. We just shoot on iPhone. Why so painful?
A few minutes later.
Finally, the flights are over. This is not looking good,
Of course, your face very ugly. Turning now this takes forever.
喂，When is this 够难？还买多了不是记者。No way！我是真就被入了，被俺睡掉了，等等吧。哦，回忆。
It's getting hot now, I know that. See my手酸啊！哇，那个在里面啊！Never been there. Oh, that how goes yeah? I don't know. One time only. See only. Fucking pain, yeah. Very painful. My feet like Go ahead now. Go ahead now. Behind got car. Like it. Wow, free driveway. 小块没粉一点，来给刷一下。
This was when I was swimming halfway. I was rolling like 30 to 35 or 30 plus. Then got this group rolling around for 45 to 50k now. Then got one e-bike pulling at the front. I was like, wow, then he very good, yeah. But then later he dropped off at Horizon Hill. They didn't pull very long, but it was a good drive. The SL5 very familiar because I met it at Pontian in my first ride. I met it before, so they tell me go behind, so I just caught up to them, then go get a draft off.
Thanks for the pull.
My Garmin showing like 48 km per hour now. Very strong.
They got dropped behind. I'm back alone again. I'm drowning already. My nose so pain, you know, Stop by the 7-Eleven. Feel a bit.
The biscuit I bought out this morning,
The biscuit I bring out this morning. I actually can pay with my DBS cards, yeah. So I can scan here.
Yeah, Let's go home from Danggabe.
Số 1 này. Sure. This morning I was up there. Now until let's go back by Gabi. Okay. Right lane. Hãy gọi people xem. It's catching up. 950. Hot.
Last 200 meters already. Faster turn on. Talking not got people behind the sidewalk race. Put 300 watts.
Wah, set lah. Bikin custom lagi dah lah. Keren, spider keren. MC lah. Hôm nay đi. Let's go.
Going back Singapore. Now let the cars come there as a first. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wish you good luck, good health, everything good.
Em ngờ, ngon nha, của ta.